Hello and welcome to Susan Best and Susan's Kitchen. This is how we're going to make our moi moi, and here is my peeled beans. So this is how I got it. I prefer to buy it this way than blended one. Guys, don't buy powdered beans already blended, because you don't know, it might be mixed. But this way you can be sure you are using beans. Okay, so I'm going to be using 3 cups of 250 ml. So this is 250 ml a cup, so I'm going to be using 3 cups of it, just like this. Just using normal tap temperature water, not cold, not hot. So this I'm going to leave it and allow it to soak very well. So there we go, guys. So our beans is ready to blend. Here are the things I'm going to be needing for my memory. So my 2 onions, pepper, red pepper, and our beans all blended together. So now I'm gonna just do a very easy and quick mixture. Alright, what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to add salt and everything I need to add to it and mix it. We are good to go, guys. So this is a 15 ml teaspoon, stand as a teaspoon. So here is my soya sauce. egg to my moi moi. So here is my oil. So guys, the next step now is how to mix it very well. Okay, so this is what we are going to do right now. Very easy and simple way. So you might be wondering why my blender is not clean up till now. That's because I am not done using the blender. So now I have tested it. It tastes so good. It's okay. It's perfect. So the next thing we're going to do now, we're going to return it back to the blender. This is how we're going to mix it. This way, guys, is stressless and it mixes very well. And also make it faster. So from here, I will be putting it in my baking pan. So here's my vegetable oil. Start doing it this way. So here is like this. Guys, I'm going to tell you the story why I started using this donut pan for my moi moi, guys. My kids, they don't like to eat moi moi. No matter how you prepare it, they don't like it. So I thought of using this. I tried it for the first time and they started eating it because they like anything big. So when I made it like this, they ate it because it was coming from something big, you know. They ate it. But when I tie it with leaf, they don't want to even like give it a try. So that was when I started making my moi moi this way, so they can join me in the journey of it. So that is the story behind me using this particular donut silicone pan to make moi moi for my kids. So in case you're also experiencing something like that, you can try it. You never can tell, you know. And I'm also going to be doing the mukbang of this delicious moi moi right now. After guys, here we are, and here see